Hello there. The rain that we've seen across Northern Ireland has eased, but there is more rain in the forecast for the next few days. A lot of it will come due to Storm Ciarán that's going to be arriving just in time for Thursday. And given saturated ground, there could be some flooding around as well. And also this damaging winds, this time in the south. There is an amber wind warning from the Met Office. I'll show you that later on. Head of the developing storm, which is still to really develop as it heads across the Atlantic, we've seen these weather fronts bringing some outbreaks of rain. And there could be some squally downpours as well for a while. The main rain band moves northwards across more of Scotland. Briefly some snow over the higher ground. And then elsewhere it's a day of sunshine and showers on Wednesday. The wind's beginning to pick up, but temperatures may be a bit higher than Tuesday for Northern Ireland, southern Scotland and northern England. But it's overnight and into Thursday that we get the effects of Storm Ciarán. That will sweep its way eastwards across England and Wales, and it's along the southern flank of that deep low pressure that we've got the strongest of the wind. So this is where we have the amber wind warning from the Met Office, and the winds through the English Channel could be even stronger than that. Very big waves, dangerous winds, some disruption to travel and potentially even to power supplies as well. Now around that area of low pressure we've got this band of rain that's swirling, and it's within that area of rain that's going to be windy as well. Around the centre of the low, perhaps through the Midlands for example, the winds will be much lighter, and we may miss the worst of the rain in northwestern parts of Scotland and perhaps even into Northern Ireland as well. Storm Ciarán will tend to weaken as we head into Friday, moving away from the UK, coming to rest there across the North Sea. So by the end of the week, things are not quite as noisy. The winds won't be as strong on Friday, it won't be as wet. There'll be some sunshine and some showers. We could see some wetter weather and windy weather perhaps coming into eastern Scotland and later towards the northeast of England. Those temperatures again around 11 to 13 degrees. Now heading into the weekend and more wet weather to come. Another area of low pressure, this one not quite so deep, not expecting it to be a named storm, but it will bring some wetter, windier weather in across more southern areas of the UK. Further north there'll be some sunshine, but also some showers, especially again across some eastern areas of Scotland. So again, unsettled weather, I think on Saturday, those temperatures 10 to 13 degrees. As we head into the second half of the weekend, well, things are not looking quite so wet, still dominated by low pressure, and essentially the two areas of low pressure, one being the old storm, probably merging into one. Again, sitting there out towards the North Sea. So we're left with more of a north to northwesterly wind, and that will bring some sunshine, but also some showers, particularly to the western side of the UK, and those temperatures again 10 to 13 degrees. Now looking further ahead into next week, our area of low pressure just sort of fills and weakens out in the North Sea. We're going to be left with a north to northwesterly airstream into next week. That's going to drag down some cooler air, bring some showers. Briefly this ridge of high pressure, but with a strengthening jet we're going to pick up that area of low pressure there. That'll steer down towards the northwest of the UK, bringing some more rain, and we're still on the colder side of the jet, so it's not going to warm up anytime soon. These are the sort of temperatures we're looking at by day. We've got the risk of showers later in the week, longer spells of rain, temperatures by night typically around about 5 Celsius. Goodbye.